welcome back to my channel. I am Rachel from Her Thrive, and I'm so excited that you're here. I'm planning May 18th through the 24th in my Amy Tangerine Happy Planner. I'm so excited. I only have one more month in this planner, and I get to bust out my Wild Style Happy Planner. I'm so excited about it. But for now, I'm still in this one. And I thought today I would use this Bookish sticker book. I was hesitant to buy this sticker book. I didn't think I need it because I don't read a lot. I love to read, and I don't know what happens since I've gotten older. I just don't read as much as I used to. But I started, I signed up for Scribed, and I did like a free month, and then I ended up extending it. And you can listen to audiobooks on there. And so it's audiobooks and then regular digital books or whatever they're called. And I found that that's easier for me because it's hard for me to sit and read, but I can do stuff and read. I have no problem with listening to books, podcasts, whatnot when I'm doing things. It's the sitting part that's hard for me. So I was hesitant, but then I started listening to all these books, and now I'm busting out with this one. I love that it has a lot of decorative stuff, and then it also has some functional things in there too. So this is just all around a good book. I made a good book. A good sticker book. Oh, it is a book. Boom, it's a sticker book. I'm not crazy. Okay, I don't want to use all of these stickers because, okay, I don't need to not get that in that habit, but you know, you don't want to use all the stickers because you just love the book so much. But I need to not do that. But I'm going to use this one here because it matches really well, and then I can use less stickers. And y'all, I'm probably going to go in and do what I always do. Decorate the middle. Why aren't I using my planner guides? Who knows? I might bust those out in a minute, but right now I'm just winging it and sticking this down. I may or may not regret it. I love that this planner, I mean, it's the only one. They haven't done another Amy Tangerine collab, so not that it's gonna help you for the future, but I do love that it was gray here. I'm just over the colorful, and I think it's like the same color, if not just something bright every month, and I just kind of got over it. But it's a beautiful planner, don't get me wrong. I think it's so beautiful. I am just ready for something neutral so I can do whatever I want. So this is for like your review of your book, you know, like 5 stars, whatever. But you can also use this as a habit tracker. I can't speak today. It's only for 5 days. Maybe it's something you do every week. I don't know. That's not a bad idea. I'm going to go in with these. I don't know why I don't. Okay, I know why I don't want to use my stickers. I don't want to use my stickers because I want to save them for my new planner. That's the truth. I just really want to save them because I like that planner more because it's neutral, and I just feel like, I don't know. I'm busting out the planner guide, y'all, because I'm scared. I'm scared this isn't going to work out for me. I'm going to regret this. So, okay. I'm just going to bust out with these planner guides because I'm scared. Those are already on there. It's no big deal. And these don't line up very well with this planner. I don't know why. If you can tell that the lines are off, it's super weird. But, so I won't worry about it being straight, is the point of me saying that. I'm not going to worry about it being perfectly straight on my guide. Why would you do that anyways, right? Because you're gonna take them off. Like, why sit there and flip. Oh my gosh, I love this. Reminds me of the original Squad Girls. I love that. I feel like I haven't planned in so long, and I feel like super duper rusty. That's just the honest truth. I feel so rusty. Like, I don't know how to plan. I don't know what I want to put in here. It's super weird, but I don't know, because I plan ahead often. That's just what I do. And so, yeah, I just feel so rusty, y'all. Like, I'm gonna sit here and ramble and flip, and I really hope that's not what I do. I like big books. And I'm wondering if I have a colorful box sticker book that would go well with this, but I don't know. I feel like I didn't plan this out. I've had planner guides and I'm not planning out very well. But that's okay. There's gotta be, I want some colorful stickers. That's what I want. It's colorful boxes, sorry. That's my issue, is I want colorful boxes. I'm gonna go in this, I should have planned ahead, y'all. Like, look ahead and see what you're using. Oh, okay, you know what? I could totally use some of these. Those match, but I'm wanting some, like, just the boxes. I could use some of these. Yeah, let's just jump in and use some of these. How about that? And everything's kind of weird, you know, with the whole quarantine. I mean, school's over, but still, like, this is the last day of school, and I don't even feel like writing that in my planner. Like, I feel like school ended a long time ago because it just hasn't been the same, you know? They didn't do any new learning. It was just busy work, and so, yeah. I even feel weird just writing that down or putting that in my planner. That's the last day of school. Their homework has been so stinking busy work. It's boring. I hate it. It's really the app that I hated using. I hated that stinking app so much. You'll never know. It's called the Seesaw class. They didn't do Google Classroom for my daughter. For my son, they did. He's in 11th grade. But for 2nd grade, they didn't do that. And so they used that one, and it was just not great at all. We start church for the first time. That's really exciting. Which direction am I doing these? Can you see my planner? No. I'm like throwing stickers all over it. Okay. So because I did these that way, I'm going to do this one that way as well. It's okay if it doesn't stick well because it's on the planner guide. I'm not just rusty at actual planning. I'm rusty at like filming. It's only been 2 weeks since I filmed. That's kind of a long time, I guess. If for you to just jump in and do it. I guess you can say that. Okay, I'm looking for these. I always lose them, probably because it's all white down there. And it's hard for me to find them. But I want to use different color discs because I like to use them as bullet points. Bullet points. I was supposed to say bullet journals. No, you don't do that, girl. Why are you lying? You do not do bullet journaling. Tried it, just not really good at it. It's too much for me. I like to I want my layout already done. Okay, I need this one because my dog needs his shots on Thursday. So I'm going to put that one here. I didn't think I was going to get to use my pet ones because I take them to the vet, but it's not like I take them to get their checkups, but it's not like, I don't know, I don't have a million dogs. Maybe people who use these stickers don't have a million dogs either. Maybe they just love their dog so much. They find ways to use it, probably. Okay, so that's that. This one, I love this sticker book. This one came from Michael's, and I split it with someone else because it was like doubles, and then there was a lot of it was foiled. So they had like a foiled version and then a matte or regular version. And so we split it. So she got some of the foiled, I got some of the foiled. But yeah, this one is amazing. Love it. And this was my social media planner, but y'all, I go back and forth. Sometimes I just use it as my regular planner because I was using Erin Condren as a catch-all, but I really like the Happy Planner. I like both of them, okay? One's not better than the other to me. They're both great. I love the layout of the Erin Condren. I love it so much, and I tend to decorate that one less. But sometimes I feel like I just want to decorate a planner and decorate my plans. It's just part of why I like using the Happy Planner. And you can be creative in the Erin Condren. You can be creative in a planner that you printed out on regular copy paper from Google. Okay, you don't need anything special to be decorative or creative. But I mean, when I get like, see the planner and all the colors and then the books, it just makes me feel a little bit more creative, if that makes sense. And I love the functionality. I know that they can both be whatever, but when I see Erin Condren, I think of more functionality and being functional without decorating, and I just like it like that. And that's just how I use it. But of course, if you go on Instagram, everyone does whatever they want. Some people are super decorative with Erin Condren. Some people are super functional only with Happy Planner. It's whatever the heck you feel like doing. But that is just how it makes me feel. Okay. I think I like it the way it is. Possibly. What I was thinking is that I don't have any bullet points, but I can always add those. Sometimes I add these and I'm not ready to do it. Okay, so now I add these and then I don't even have, that's what I'm trying to say. I don't even have 3 things that I need to put on there. That's what I was about to say. There's that. Oh no, I should get my, should get some tweezers. That's what I should do. It's so much easier to move these around when you have tweezers. All right, this comfy chair. I have a chair like this in my room. It doesn't look obviously the same exact color, but it's like a one-person chair, just like that little accent chair that I sit in sometimes when I either read or sometimes when I'm just scrolling up on the gram. I like to sit in that chair because I don't ruin my bed, or I don't want to be in my bed because it makes you want to sleep. So I like that chair because I do have a chair like that. Real life. It's cute. Focus on. I love how these stickers ended up going really well together, pretty seamlessly. I don't know if that's really a good word to use, but I've been wanting to use the word seamlessly, like something goes together seamlessly. She took over the project, replaced that person seamlessly. Just want to use the word, y'all. Don't hate. I don't want that focus on there. You guys, this is just my luck. My phone stopped recording and I did not know that. So you missed the whole part where I transferred these from the planner guides to here, which wasn't that big a deal. I'm just transferring it. But y'all, I was talking. I was like, I don't say in my feelings, but I was just talking about my life, sharing and being open. And it didn't even capture it. Like, what in the world? I know I'm not in the same like Zoom as I was before. Like, this video got so messed up, but that's okay. So yeah, that's just that. It ruined it. But all I was saying is that I felt really rusty just being in my planner because I did not use my planner this whole quarantine. I did not, I mean, I used it, but I'm saying I didn't like use it to record all the things, to catch up on my memory planning, to track all the things like some people have done, which I think is so great. But being in my planner was frustrating to me. And I don't want my planner to be a source of stress. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do with it. Well, then don't freaking do anything with it. So anyways, I felt a little rusty planning this out. Like, what is my style? What I normally do. But I just started doing it and I love the way it came out. It turned out great. I'm so sorry you missed this whole part. I don't even know where it cut off. But y'all, that is exactly what would happen to me. Just my luck. Okay, so this is my layout in my Amy Tangerine Happy Planner with my Bookish sticker book and then the I Love Stickers mega book, I think this is called, at Michael's. Anyways, yeah, here it is. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this, and find me on Instagram so you can find more of this hot mess express. My handle on there, do we still use that word? I don't know. My username on there is @HerThrive. I will see y'all later. Bye.